Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing Jellycom's Bluetooth connected foldable keyboard. We're going to find out how well this product does when connected to my tablet or mobile phone, and see if this device actually makes a difference in my productivity and if it's worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button to support your boy. I'd really appreciate that. Let's set a goal of 25 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Jellycom keyboard is a tri-folding device that comes with a touchpad built in, which provides both left click and right click availability. The keyboard can connect to your tablet and mobile phone via Bluetooth, or directly using a micro USB cable, allowing you to continue using your keyboard while the device is on charge. The device works on most operating systems, including Windows, iOS and Android, and has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which Jellycom say can last up to 24 days based on a 2-hour daily usage. Finally, Jellycom have also stated that the new keyboard model provides upgraded scissor switches, giving you that extra comfort while typing, as well as an updated touchpad, making it easier to navigate through your connected devices. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 200 grams and has a length of 30 centimeters when fully expanded and 15 centimeters when folded. It has a range of 10 meters, which is pretty good and is compact enough to fit inside your bag. On front, you have the keyboard buttons, as well as the touchpad, which includes the left click and right click buttons. You also have the LED indicator lights, which highlight the caps lock and battery state, as well as the Jellycom logo. On top, you have the power switch, as well as the Bluetooth connectivity button and micro USB input to charge your keyboard. Finally, towards the back, you have 2 hinges, which folds the Jellycom keyboard. In terms of packaging, on front, you have an image of the Jellycom keyboard. Towards the back, you have an image again of the Jellycom keyboard closed and expanded. Finally, on top, you have the Jellycom logo. Inside the box, you get the Jellycom foldable keyboard, as well as 1 micro USB cable and a user manual containing information on your device. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by ensuring your device is charged and then switch on the power button. Next, select the Bluetooth button to enable syncing and then ensure Bluetooth on your tablet or mobile phone has been enabled. Start by selecting the keyboard from the list of devices that appear. Wait for syncing to be completed, and once done, you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. For this, I'll be connecting the Jellycom keyboard to my Android phone and Amazon Fire HD tablet. In addition, I'll also be connecting the device to my Apple iPhone and iPad to see how well the keyboard and touchpad does. When testing using my Samsung Galaxy Fold, the keyboard works really well while typing and taking down notes. I didn't experience any serious delay or lag, and all letters appeared on screen after selecting each button. The touchpad is also really good, and I noticed a new cursor icon appear on screen. While browsing the internet, I could easily navigate through my page and scroll up and down using 2 fingers on the touchpad. The left button works really well for selecting items, and the right click button is also great for displaying further information. The same also occurred when using my Amazon Fire HD tablet, and I definitely felt the benefit of using the keyboard and touchpad when connected to a bigger screen, making my note-taking a lot more effective and efficient. However, when connected to my iPhone and iPad, one of the first things I noticed was that the touchpad wasn't working for some reason. I didn't see a cursor icon this time like I did when connected to my Android devices. However, after doing some digging, it appears that the touchpad is not supported on iOS devices that are lower than software version 13. Once I updated the firmware on both my iPhone and iPad, the touchpad had started working again. So in case you're having problems while connected to your iOS devices, just make sure you're on the latest iOS firmware when connecting to the Jellycom keyboard. Before we summarize guys, if you found today's video helpful or just simply enjoyed watching it, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it really does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, if you mainly use your tablet or iPad for note-taking, whether it be for work meetings or studying purposes, then the Jellycom foldable keyboard is a device you should definitely look into. The small compact design makes this keyboard very easy to take with you on the go, and the tri-folding design allows you to easily store this product inside your bag. The keyboard and material finish feels really good, and the touchpad feature is also a handy addition. The option to connect via Bluetooth or USB is much appreciated, and the usage time you get from this device is truly impressive. If I'm being completely honest guys, I don't really see the benefit here of connecting this keyboard to your mobile phone, as I found that taking notes on my phone itself was a lot easier, as opposed to connecting first via Bluetooth and then proceeding from there. However, when using an iPad, I definitely felt the benefit here, as it almost felt like working off a laptop. To finalize, if you own a tablet or iPad, then yes, definitely look into the Jellycomb foldable keyboard, as this device can really help your productivity and efficiency when taking down notes. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Jellycomb foldable keyboard from Amazon for around £33, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Are you a fan of external keyboards? And is the Jellycomb foldable keyboard a device that you would purchase to replace your on-screen digital keypad? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.